Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, all the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're exploring Zillow, found at www.zillow.com. Zillow has become a ubiquitous name in the real estate world, providing a vast database of property listings for sale and rent across the United States. It offers potential buyers, sellers, and renters a convenient platform to browse homes, compare prices, and research neighborhoods. With its user-friendly interface and detailed property information, including photos, virtual tours, and estimated market values, Zestimates, Zillow has transformed how people navigate the real estate market. However, it's crucial to remember that Zestimates are just that, estimates. While they can be a helpful starting point, they shouldn't be considered definitive valuations. It's always recommended to consult with a qualified real estate professional for accurate property assessments. Beyond browsing listings, Zillow offers a range of tools and resources. You can find mortgage calculators, connect with local real estate agents, and research neighborhood demographics, school ratings, and even local amenities. The platform allows you to save your favorite properties, track price changes, and set up email alerts for new listings that match your criteria. This personalized experience makes Zillow a valuable tool whether you're actively searching for a new home or just casually exploring the market. While Zillow provides a wealth of information, it's important to be aware of potential limitations. Listings may not always be up to date, and relying solely on online information can give you an incomplete picture. Visiting properties in person and talking to local experts remains crucial for making informed decisions. Overall, Zillow is a powerful resource for anyone involved in the real estate market, offering convenient access to a comprehensive database and helpful tools. However, using it in conjunction with real-world expertise will ensure you have the most accurate and relevant information at your disposal.